It's winter. It's getting a little bit colder. I'm still riding though, so you should still be riding. But I want to talk to you about our service department. So I know previously in the spring and coming up in the spring, we could be as long as a 6 to 8 week wait to get your bike in for performance, for maintenance, for anything. And that's not the case right now. Winter is the time for these things. I know a lot of us don't even think about it until Daytona Bike Week rolls around and we're about a week prior and we're like, hey, I need my bike work done. And sometimes that's not the case, or we're not able to do that. So now is the time for that. We've got a Thunderstroke Camp special going on to help you guys out. We have free delivery and pickup if you're in a certain mile radius for our maintenance packages. So whether you're just looking for a tire change or an oil change or simple maintenance for your bike, now's the time to do it. You still can go out riding. I've been riding every day. It's really nice. If you're looking for performance, now's also the time because we have the least downtime for your bike and we can get you in and out because Daytona's coming up quick. And speaking of Daytona, I have started scheduling for Lloyd'z Performance. About half of our Challenger cams are already booked for them. I've got Chieftain cams we can do, dyno tuning for Chieftain, Challenger flashes. If you want a big build like a 126, you gotta call us too. But I was shocked how fast everybody's getting ready for it. We're amped up for Daytona and it's gonna fly by. You gotta email me at amanda@indianmotorcyclecharlotte.com or you can call me at the shop, 704-879-4560. But like I said, guys, the wait time is not as big as it usually is in the spring or the summer. Anytime with us, right now is the time. If you want performance, if you want builds, if you just want handlebars, now is the time to get you in and out.